Hello, my name is Joshua. I have 20 years old. I came to this foster home in 15 years old, and this foster home had done very much for my life. I have come to many chances that can help me in my life, and they help me through my life from very situation that almost I could be destroyed, but they helped me, and I'm very grateful for them because they have everything I need so I can be in a way to be a prosperous man. And this foster home had done everything in their power. Now I have to do what is left. And I know that it's hard for people who live like me, but we can still learn from different people, not from parents only, because they can be like our second parents. And I'm grateful that the Maurice, that the director of this foster home, have done, and she's like my second mother for me, and she's like everything to me, therapy, mother, everything. And I'm grateful for this foster home, and I will do the same for them after everything they've done.
What are you studying to be? What would you like to be when you leave the foster home? The time comes, what would you like to work in?
I like to work where I can help people, so they know that hope is still not lost, and showing other children that live like me that there's still hope, they can move forward. Sometimes might be hard, but you can pass those strong moments.
That's great. What are you studying right now?
I finished studying computer and repairment of maintenance and repairment of computer and LAN. And I like too much technology. I'm more technologic than every other stuff.
That's great. Well, good luck and God bless you.
Thank you very much.